It's loaded. Back door's loaded. Meth. Let's go, bro. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Look at the phone.
Huh?
Look at the phone.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I want to get it out and try to...
These were the moments when simple traffic stops turned into major busts, uncovering hidden compartments suspects never thought would be found. And you won't believe where this first one was hidden. On July 18, 2025, Arizona State Police officers spotted a suspicious vehicle with heavily tinted windows, the kind that instantly raises eyebrows. In Arizona, unless you've got a special permit, that level of tint is illegal. Criminals pull this move all the time, thinking they'll slip by unnoticed. But in reality, all it does is attract police attention.
Yes, good morning, W outside Navajo County Sheriff's Office. A couple reasons for the stop today, okay? First is going to be, do you have full tinting on your front windshield?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have a prescription for that?
No, sir.
Okay, so the front tinting on the windshield is illegal in the state of Arizona. You can only have it across the visor, across the top. Second, to be your front windows. When you have light, you look way too dark. Yes, if you want to just roll it up a little bit, I can do a tint meter, and we'll see exactly where it's at. It needs to be 33%, okay? Yeah, that'll be fine. Right there is good. You're at 11%, okay? So it's illegal in this state. It's also illegal. I see you're from New Mexico. New Mexico's 20%. You're illegal there too, okay? Yes. So the third thing is going to be the covering on your license plate. Can't have it. It's tinted. Can't be obstructing the license plate whatsoever, okay? Yes. I'm not going to give you a ticket. It's going to be a warning. You got your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
The officer explained that if the couple showed their ID and car papers, the worst they'd get was a ticket. That's only if this next problem didn't show up.
Hey, how you doing, ma'am?
Hi.
So the registration you gave me had expired back in like a couple months ago. There is one that's supposed to expire in July.
Yeah.
Do you have that one handy?
That's the one that we gave you. That's why the officer, when they pulled us over yesterday, he said that when he got on the computer, that the computer did say it was for July 8th.
Okay.
So he said that we have 4 days past, and he said, well,
Right.
and he goes, I'm not going to cite you, but you need to get it fixed.
Right.
So we said, okay, we'd fix it, and we got back to
So the one that you gave me expired in May. Do you have the one that expires in July?
No, that was the one
Okay.
that was in there.
I got you. And where are you guys coming from?
From LA.
Okay. Were you guys out there for like...
We're visiting his mom.
Okay, I got you. Do you live in New Mexico?
Yes,
or are
I
you
live
from...
in New
Okay,
Mexico.
got you. I'm going to be checking the VIN number. Okay, just to
Okay.
make sure it matches the paperwork I got.
That's fine.
So there's one on the front window and then one on the driver door, okay? So I'm just gonna be checking those, all right?
It turns out that the license had expired some time ago, and that raised more suspicion. First, the dark tinted windows, now an old license. Too much to be a coincidence. And guess who was the first to notice that?
Okay. In addition to traffic control, another thing that I do out here is criminal interdiction. It's the stoppage of illegal crimes going down the roadways. Yes. I'm gonna ask you some questions, don't take them personal. I ask most everyone I come in contact with these questions, okay?
By saying that to the man, the officer was trying to erase any thought of suspicion, trying to make it as routine as possible.
Do you have any large sums of cash in excess of $10,000 in the vehicle? Do you have anything for the manufacturer of fake IDs, credit cards, anything like that? Yes, sir. Do you have anything as far as weapons, pistols, rifles, large amounts of ammunition, anything like that? Okay. Do you have any drugs in the vehicle? Cocaine?
No.
Methamphetamine?
No.
Heroin?
No.
Fentanyl?
No.
Okay, marijuana in this state, similar to New Mexico, is legal. Decriminalized, I should say. You can have up to an ounce of marijuana legally. Is there any marijuana in the vehicle?
There is, but it's
Just a little bit?
about a couple of grams.
Okay, no worries. I'm not worried about that, man.
No, that's all
So, having said that, you said there's nothing in the vehicle. Would you give me your voluntary consent to search a vehicle?
Yeah, why not?
The man's calm and confident reply was clearly meant to make the officer think he had nothing to hide, maybe hoping the officer would drop the search. But let's be honest, when has that ever worked?
So just to confirm, do I have your voluntary consent to search a vehicle?
You know what? Let me ask her.
Well, I'll ask her too.
She knows more about this.
Yeah, I'll ask her. So I'm asking you at this point, because you're the driver. I'll ask her the same questions I asked you.
I don't know about, is it all right? I mean,
It's a yes or no question. It's up to you.
I'm supposed to say no.
Well, I'm not going to get into hypotheticals. It's just a yes or no question.
I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Well, it's up to you, man. You're the driver. It's your vehicle. Like I said, I'm asking you for voluntary consent. So it's a yes or no question.
I don't know what to say. Exactly.
Well, it's a yes or no. You just say yes or you say no.
The man was now becoming hesitant, showing signs of pulling back from his original consent. This slight change gave the officer even more reason to suspect him and ask this question.
Is there something in there?
No.
Okay.
No.
Well, yeah, like I said, it's yes or no, man. You can say yes or you can say
I got
no.
a bottle of Bucana in the back. It's halfway.
Okay, is that it?
In the trunk.
In the trunk? That's fine, man. Open containers,
Yeah.
as long as they're not in the passenger compartment, are fine. I'm not worried about that. So, yes or no on the voluntary consent to search vehicle?
From all rights, I don't think so.
Okay, no worries. Give me 1 second, okay?
You see, the man was well within his rights to say no when the officer asked to search his vehicle. The Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution protects individuals from unreasonable searches and seizures. This means you have the right to refuse consent to a vehicle search if police do not have a warrant, probable cause, or some exception like exigent circumstance. This therefore means the officer cannot search the vehicle without consent. But that law is subjective. If officers have probable cause to believe there's evidence of a crime in your car, like the smell of drugs, they can search without your consent or a warrant. Now, the officer couldn't legally search the vehicle without permission, but if he found probable cause, he could. And that's exactly what he did.
Okay, man. So here's what I'm going to do, okay? You're perfectly within your rights to say no, okay? That's fine. What I'm going to do is I have a canine in my vehicle. I'm going to wait for my second unit to get here. I'm going to be walking him around the vehicle. And at that point, if he alerts, we'll go from there. If he doesn't alert, you get a warning, be on your way, okay? So we got to hang tight and wait for that second.
Why you gotta? That's kind of question.
Yeah.
Because you stopped us, you got to do that? I mean, it's a regular routine for you guys to do that?
So, like I said, I'm part of the criminal interdiction unit. So one of my functions on the interstate is the interdiction of criminal activity. Hey, Christina. I do have some additional questions for you, okay? So in addition to traffic control, another thing I do is criminal interdiction. Stops illegal crimes going down the roadways, okay? Having said that, I do have some questions, don't take them personal. Do you have anything as far as like large sums of cash in the vehicle in excess of $10,000, anything like that? Anything for the manufacture of fake IDs, credit cards? Anything as far as weapons like pistols, rifles? Do you have any illegal drugs in the vehicle?
No.
Okay, like cocaine?
No.
Methamphetamine?
Nothing.
Heroin?
No.
Fentanyl?
No.
Okay, so in the state of Arizona, you can have up to an ounce of marijuana legally. Do you have any marijuana in
No.
the vehicle? Okay. Having said that, he did refuse consent to search the vehicle, which is totally fine. But at this point, I'm going to have you exit the vehicle, okay? I'm waiting
Can
for...
I ask what the purpose of this is all about?
Yeah, I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle because I'm going to be running my dog around the vehicle.
Okay, that's... I'm about to call it.
Both the man and the woman started acting suspicious as soon as they were told a canine would check the vehicle. And at that point, what would happen next was anyone's guess. However, even before this search, the pair had already found a way to get themselves into trouble.
All right, so real quick, guys. Because you do have an open container in the front, you told me you had a bottle in the trunk.
Yeah.
Well, I'm seeing one that's in the front too, okay? So at this point,
I can see the...
I got you. Yeah, you guys are going to be detained, okay, for open container in a vehicle. All right, so go ahead and turn around for me. Yep.
Open?
It's a misdemeanor in the state of Arizona to have an open container, okay?
Really?
Yep.
That was last night, wasn't it?
I got you, but the thing is, if it's in the passenger compartment where you guys can get a hold of it, that's what makes it a misdemeanor in a vehicle. If it's in the trunk, it's fine. But if it's in the back, do you want to put your phone in your pocket or?
That's
431. I'm gonna have 2 detained for open container.
I mean, it's...
Okay, be careful with this one. I broke it, like...
Okay, give me 1 second. So what's gonna happen at this point, because you guys do have an open container, I'm gonna be doing a probable cause search of the vehicle just to ensure there's no additional open containers in the vehicle, okay? Having said that, when was the last time you drank any alcohol?
Yesterday evening.
Okay. And by you? Yesterday evening? Okay.
Now, even without the canine, the officer had already found probable cause to search the vehicle, saving him time and letting him jump straight into action.
431, beginning PC search of vehicle. It's drugs. 431. Can you change the nature of the call to drugs? Huh? So she's got these pills. A white crystalline substance. I can't tell if it's the pills crushed up or if it's meth. I mean, you can see a shard right there.
Yeah.
It's gonna be meth.
In her left pocket.
Nice. She's also got tons of debit cards and EBT cards for different people that are not her. You want to open this for me so I can rub the inside of the bag?
The officer had already found something that looked like meth in the woman's purse. But as part of standard procedure, only a field drug test could prove what it actually was.
Did I do that wrong? Oh, there it is. Blue.
Positive. Put this back here for a second and we'll grab an evidence bag, or you.
Yeah, just bring a few because I mean we still got a bunch left to search. So right now he's going for open container. This was in the center console, and these are all in the front by her. And then she's going for the meth.
Possible 1381.
I didn't see anything. Like as far as driving behavior before the stop, or like contact with them, I wasn't smelling it on them. But right now I'm just going for what we got, and we'll see what we find as we keep going.
Sounds good. I'll go get evidence.
Yeah, I saw that.
Black ice is everywhere.
Yeah. Well, car's getting towed at this point, so.
The drugs in the woman's wallet were just a fraction of what they were about to uncover.
Gotta grab my pry tool. Yeah. Oh. It's loaded. Back door's loaded. Meth. The back panel's loose. 431. Can you note I'm gonna have 21015 for transportation of dangerous drugs. Let's go, bro. So you can pop that and then shine your light in there. You can see it.
Oh yeah.
Let's check the other one. I gotta call Danny. Is that one loaded too? Loaded. Back right door, as soon as I looked at it, it's loose. Pop the rubber, you can see the meth in there.
Good job, dude.
Thanks, man. All right, I'll call Kyle and then I'll get one rolling.
All right.
So you can see right here,
Yeah.
it's freaking, like you can just pop the whole thing off. Just barely even on there. You can see they just barely suck it back on. Bro, that's fully loaded. Is the other door loaded?
I don't see anything in the other door.
Do you got a brown paper bag? I got some. I'll get some in a minute.
With all that meth found, it was only normal for the officer to give them a chance to explain. I mean, they had to have some kind of excuse, right?
All right, man. So you want to tell me what's up? With all the meth in your car?
I'm sorry?
With all the meth in your car?
Oh man.
I told you this is what I do for a living, bro. It's criminal interdiction, okay? So I found all the meth hidden in your car, or at least some of it so far. We're gonna be tearing the whole car apart at this point. So you want to tell me how much you're getting paid to drive it?
I didn't even know it was loaded, man.
Come on, man.
I swear to God, bro.
Bro, you've had the car for months.
Yeah.
So
But I didn't know it was loaded.
Okay, so the thing is, man, like I said, all I do all day long is criminal interdiction.
I
Okay,
understand that's your job,
so when you tell me you didn't know,
well, I didn't know that.
it's your car, bro.
I know it's my car. Yeah.
Okay, so I see you have tattoos, bro. Are you clicked up?
No.
Were you clicked up when you were younger?
Yeah, when I was younger, yeah.
Who are you clicked up with?
The Sureños
Sureños in LA or what?
in LA.
Okay. Yeah, man, so you're under arrest for transportation of dangerous drugs, which is methamphetamine. Okay, so that's a class 2 misdemeanor. You'll also be charged with possession for sale and possession of dangerous drugs, which are a class 4 and a class 6 misdemeanor. Or a class, these are all felonies, I'm sorry. So they're all felonies, all right? Having said that, now's your time to be honest with me, bro.
Shoot, I didn't know it was loaded, man.
I mean, no one's just leaving that much meth in a car, bro. You've had it for months.
I know, but you
went to LA for a day. You came back and you're going back to Albuquerque. Okay? So, no one goes to LA for a day, bro. Okay?
I got my mom over there, bro.
Okay, and I understand, dude, but like,
I'm there for the weekend.
you're only there for a day.
Yeah, but you know, I went over there for the weekend.
That's how long did it take you from Albuquerque to LA?
About 16 hours.
16 hours. So you drove 16 hours, stayed for less than a day, and now you're driving 16 hours back.
Yeah.
So you seem like a reasonable person, man.
Yeah.
Would you find that suspicious? Someone drives 16 hours, stays for less than 16 hours, and then drives 16 hours back? That would be suspicious to you, right?
If you got to go check up on your mom, man, the way my mom is since my dad passed away in the COVID.
Okay.
You know, she's
But I'm asking you a question, bro. Would you find that suspicious?
It's not my job, you know.
I know, but you're reasonable, right?
Yeah.
So if someone came to you like, hey, I'm going to LA for a couple hours. I'm gonna drive 16 hours, stay there for a couple hours, and drive 16 hours back. Would you find that suspicious?
I don't know what that guy's doing, you know. I don't know what he's doing.
I got you.
The man had nothing to say, and the woman wasn't any better. They both acted like they had no idea what was going on. But with 15 pounds of meth hidden inside the car door, they were both charged with transporting dangerous drugs for sale and destroying evidence. And to make things worse, the woman picked up an extra charge after trying to sneak meth into the jail. The suspect in the next case spun every story he could think of to avoid getting arrested. On February 17, 2020, in Webster Parish, Louisiana, officers were on patrol when they saw a car speeding and swerving on the road. Wanting to make sure the driver was okay to drive, they decided to pull the vehicle over.
Hey, what's going on, man? I'm Trooper Derek with the state police, man. Look, reason for the stop, it was a while back. It took me a minute to catch up with you. Did you see us sitting when you came up over that hill a ways back? Yeah. When you came over the hill, you just drifted onto that fog line a little bit. I just want to make sure you're not sleepy or impaired or nothing.
No, I was actually getting some dollar.
Oh, okay. You got your license handy? I'll tell you what, man. Will you grab your license and meet me at the back of the car? It's kind of hard to hear you.
While the officer checked his documents, he started asking the driver about his travel plan, and that's when things started to get suspicious.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome, sir.
Where you heading to?
I'm heading to go pick up one of the truck drivers that left the semi-truck.
That left the semi-truck?
Yeah, he left the semi-truck, so I have to go over there and pick up some stuff that he left in this truck. I have to bring it back to El Paso.
Oh, man.
Yeah, so whatever, you know.
You drive trucks as well?
Yes, sir.
What company do y'all work for?
Felher Transportation.
Felher
Transportation. We drive here around a lot, too.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Whereabouts you got to pick it up from?
Monroe, right here.
Oh, Monroe?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Almost
Why did he leave it?
I don't even know. They just told me, can you go get some stuff that there's in the truck? I was like, all right, could you?
Where is it at in Monroe?
Oh, I don't know. Probably in the truck stop. I need to call my dispatch right now.
Oh, so you don't know where you're
No,
going?
they just told me to go to, I think, in a Flying J or probably one of those two.
Is this your car or a rental car?
No, it's a renter car.
Do you have the rental agreement?
You know what? Yeah.
How long you been on the road, man?
Oh, man, it's been with the CDL?
No. To like this trip.
Oh, no, barely. Was it yesterday?
Okay. Sleeping in the car?
Yeah, I've been doing what's it called? Rent the hotel.
Okay.
There you go. It's under my girl's name.
The company didn't rent it for you?
Hell nah. No, it's because they're
So you
paying
gotta
for
pay out of your own pocket?
Nah, they're paying for everything, the gas and my mileage driving over here and coming back, so it's cool.
His story didn't add up. A coworker abandoned the truck. He was sent to collect it with no real destination. His rental car was in his wife's name. With backup arriving, things were about to escalate.
He says he's going to Monroe because a coworker that drives trucks with him just left a truck there. They don't know why, and he's supposed to pick up his personal belongings. But his wife rented the car.
His what?
His wife is the renter on the car. And I'm like, so you're having to pay this out of your own pocket? He's like, yeah. It's like, then he's like, oh, well, I think the company's reimbursing me. But he doesn't know where in Monroe he's going. I don't know.
Where's he from?
He's from El Paso. Says he's left yesterday from El Paso and has just been sleeping in the car.
But his wife's got a Kansas address?
Yeah, I don't. He's very laughy and. He's very laughy. He's laughing a lot, and when he pulled over, he did the old stretch. So, I don't know.
Well, if that's all you're doing is going to Monroe and back, why do you have to rental for 9 days?
Right. Yeah, that too. Hey, man. All right, man, look, we work the interstates every day, okay? We see a lot of bad stuff. We see everything from human trafficking, transportation of illegal firearms, transportations of large sums of illegal money, transportations of narcotics, okay? Do you have any of that in your car?
No, sir.
No. Can I search the car?
That's my car. You can.
Okay. Look, this is a Louisiana State Police consent to search form, okay? Read over it. If you're good with me searching the car, sign by that X.
So you guys gonna search the car and everything?
Yeah, we're gonna search the car.
Can I make a call real quick to my wife? No?
All right. You got no guns or nothing on you, right?
Nah,
Don't reach in your pockets, man. Step back here.
No pocket knives or nothing?
The man agreed to let officers search his trunk, and with that, who knows what they were about to uncover.
It's heavy. No, well, it's not that it's heavy. It's I can't. Freaking. It's a bad angle.
But look at it. It's been.
I know that's what
Look
I'm
at the
saying.
phone.
Huh?
Look at the phone.
I know that's what I'm saying. I want to get it out and try to.
You got it?
Thanks. I was saying that all this foam.
Yeah, that's not normal.
Listen, you got the right to remain silent, okay? Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You got the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, will be appointed to you, all right?
Pictures of it first before you rip into it.
Okay.
I think you got it.
Two packages right here. That's all I can see right now.
The troopers found 10 sealed packages, adding up to 8 kilos of cocaine. The driver, identified as Martin Escalera, was immediately arrested for drug possession with intent to distribute. He admitted he knew about the drugs and even told officers where he was supposed to deliver them. The suspect in the next case was convinced someone had snitched, and he didn't hide it from the officer. On February 5th, 2023, officers pulled over a truck for tailgating. It wasn't a serious offense, but maintaining a safe following distance matters. In most cases, especially for first-time offenders, it's nothing more than a warning or a simple ticket.
How you doing, sir? Deputy State Navajo County Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop today is going to be your following distance, all right, man? That car in front of you, I had you clocked in less than 2 seconds behind it, bro, okay? It's just a safety thing. I ain't going to give you a ticket for it. All right, just a warning today, okay? Was you? Oh, I mean, you got your driver's license handy? Do you got a co-driver with you, or is it just you? Okay. All right. I need your registration and insurance too, alright? Okay, I'll tell you what, man. Grab your wallet, grab your stuff. I ain't gonna give you a ticket, but we gotta go back to my car so I can knock you out a warning, okay? So maybe step out, okay? Is your co-driver still in the back? Okay, can you wake him up for me? We're just gonna have him stand outside the truck, okay? It's nothing personal against you guys. I just like having everybody where I can see him, you know what I mean? Alright. Yeah, right here. On the front side, bro. How you doing this evening? Cool. Where are you headed to?
You go to Ohio?
Ohio?
Ohio.
Okay. First time out that way, or?
No.
Okay. Then you said you got the insurance and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Does the car belong to you? Or the truck?
Yeah.
Are you owner-operator?
Yeah, I'm the owner operator.
Okay, cool. You got a bunch of trucks on your fleet, or just you, or?
Yeah.
Okay. Where you guys coming out of?
Yesterday I got loaded.
Okay.
I got 2 little partials and...
So, man, you know your license is no good?
Huh? What's going on?
Yeah, let me check. It's sitting right there. So, it looks like your medical expired back in
No, sir.
June of 22, bro.
Look. I have it right here. Just put your light right here. Little medical right here. Look.
All right, we need to talk to California MVD because it's showing expired when I run it. All right, so you gotta let motor. I'm not gonna give you a ticket for it, bro. I'll just add it to the warning.
While checking his credentials, the officer found that his medicals had already expired, and there were some issues with his license too. This showed he wasn't fit to be driving and gave the officers a solid reason to suspect the truck. But unlike most drivers, this one wasn't going to be a tough nut to crack.
Begin it. What do you got in there?
Just be honest, man. We're gonna find it. What is it? Take him back. Talk to me, bro. If you're honest with me, we can talk about it. All right. First off, what type of drugs is it?
I don't even know, bro.
You don't even know? You just carrying it for somebody else, or what? Okay. How much? We're talking like a little bit, a lot of it, or
No, just...
like a duffel bag, or are we talking a backpack? We talking
Yeah, kind of like a little box.
box? Okay. Be honest with me, bro.
I'll be honest with you.
What do you got?
I don't know.
Don't know. How much you getting paid? 19.15 on copy. Can you roll me a second? Or an additional?
That was a snitch on.
Huh?
They put me on a snitch.
Say what?
It's a snitch on me, man.
Who snitched on you, bro? You telling me he snitched on you?
You did?
No. I'm asking you. What?
Just...
believe it's cocaine.
You believe it's cocaine? Okay. Well, cocaine, are we talking like personal use cocaine? Like some you're using just to stay awake? Like just a little bit?
No.
Okay. Alright, man. Hey, Danny. Okay, how much are you getting paid?
About, it's not even a lot.
Not a lot is different for everybody, you know what I mean?
About like 20.
20K? Okay. Alright.
Better than work right now.
No, I feel you. Okay. So you said you're getting paid 20. Were you getting paid 20 when you got there or when you got back?
When I got there.
Okay. And where were you headed to?
But then, well, I'm no snitch, man.
Okay. So, I'm not asking for specifics. I'm just asking for the city.
Oh, okay. Illinois?
Illinois? Chicago or?
No, before Chicago.
Before Chicago? Okay. And you're going to get paid the 20 when you got there? Was he getting paid 22 or was that for you guys to split?
Yes.
Okay, so 10 each? Okay. Alright, man. I'm going to have you go stand back there with him, okay?
Like, be honest, like you say, be honest, like,
Yeah.
who got on me?
Who got on you?
Yeah.
I stopped you for the following distance, bro. This is what we do. We're a criminal interdiction unit. So, I saw your truck following too close. We made contact. You're not my first stop of the day, bro.
From the way the officer questioned him, it became clear why the driver gave in so easily. He thought someone had already snitched on him, so in his mind, the officer already knew everything. There was no point in dragging it out, but one thing was still unclear, just how much the truck was really carrying.
He said it's not hidden, it's just laying out. I asked him if he's talking like personal use or what. It's like, no.
Well, you saw, you look on his face and I told him he was searching the truck.
Well, dude, once he brought the dog out, he started having like a full-blown panic attack.
Yeah.
No. He says it ain't hidden. I ain't seen anything else. Me and him must have different ideas of what. He said it's tossed in the truck. He said it's in the truck. No. Well, I mean, I glanced. Hey, man, I'm trying to tear your truck all up. Where's it at? You said it's in your truck, right? Or is it in with the load?
What?
The drugs. I mean, I can tear it apart, or you can just tell me, and then your truck's attacked. You said it was just tossed in there. Well, I'm checking bags, I'm not seeing it, so. Is it a clavo or what?
No, we're not a clavo.
So, is it in that black box underneath your bed?
You can open the bed or what?
Huh?
You can open the bed.
I'm gonna open all of it, but I'm asking you so I don't have to just start breaking stuff.
No, don't break anything. I mean,
So where's
it's under the bed.
Right, in the black box.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Hey, he says it's in the black box. Just pull it up. Where's it? Fast as right. There it is. Oh, shit. How many is that? I lost count. 2, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's probably 2 each. Like 2 keys a piece. Those are fucking fat. Maybe 20? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18. But these gotta be doubled up, bro. Because, I mean, I'd say 20. Bro, That's the biggest amount of blow I've ever seen. No wonder he immediately assumed someone snitched on his ass, dude. Like, he couldn't see himself hyperventilating when the dog came out. Not to mention, he picked up the load yesterday. And I'm like, how far is that from here? He's like, 7 hours. It took you fucking 36 hours to go 7 hours? That truck interdiction class at MVCI would be proud, bro. Did he already tell you you're under arrest, bro? Okay, yeah, so you are under arrest, dude. I mean, it's not personal use, you know what I mean?
Hey, I've been honest, you've been honest, you know?
Yeah, well, I appreciate the honesty, bro. I'll make sure to put that in my report that you were straight up with me, okay?
The driver was honest about everything, except when he claimed the drugs were for personal use. He later admitted he was being paid $20,000 to move cocaine from California to Illinois. Officers found over 50 pounds of cocaine in the truck, worth more than $1 million on the street. Both the driver and the passenger were arrested for transporting a narcotic drug, possession for sale, and possession of a narcotic drug. In the next case, officers received an anonymous tip-off before they made this routine traffic stop. On May 27, 2020, an officer saw a car with a broken headlight and pulled it over. What he didn't know was that this simple stop was about to lead to a much bigger discovery.
How you doing? What's your name?
Bobby.
Bobby what?
Right.
You got an ID? Where's it at? I'm Officer Morgan with Lumpkin County. The reason why I stopped you got a broken headlight.
I do.
Where are you headed?
Headed home.
Where you live?
Cookville, Tennessee.
What's your business here in Lumpkin?
I came down here to try to get somebody out of jail.
Oh, I got you. Did you get them?
No.
No?
I think the bondsman said that I wouldn't qualify.
Oh, yep. Could you live out of state?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Step out of the car for me.
Okay.
Go ahead and put your hands on top of the hood there. I'm just going to pat you down. Is there anything in your pockets that'll poke or stab me?
No, sir.
No needles?
No.
You sure?
I'm not.
Okay, I just don't want to get poked is all. I always ask, all right? What's that?
It's some money.
It's some what?
Money.
Money? It don't feel like money. I'll tell you what, empty that pocket out right there for me, if you don't mind.
Have I done something wrong, sir?
Is there a reason why you don't want to empty your pockets?
Well, that's just, I haven't done anything. I'm just wondering why I'm getting searched and for just a headlight.
Because I don't feel like you're being honest with me.
I am being honest, sir.
You're trembling. You were trembling when I stopped you.
Well, it's just, well, I'm sorry. I get nervous when I get pulled over.
Okay, come stand right here in front of my car. So, what's in that pocket you don't want me to find?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. And is there any reason why you won't empty your pockets?
No, sir. It's just that I don't feel I've done anything wrong. I mean, my attorney told me once, no, don't. Just answer the questions and don't admit anything. Be quiet, so I was told.
Unknown to the driver, later identified as Bobby Rush, the officer noticed how nervous he was. His hands were shaking during questioning. That made the officer want to look deeper, but since Bobby said no to a search, they couldn't check the car directly. However, they could bring in a canine to sniff around and find what Bobby might be hiding.
All right, Mr. Rush. My dog alerted to the odor of a trained narcotic coming from your vehicle, okay? Is there any reason why he would do that? Is there anything in there you want to tell me about that maybe we weren't honest with to begin with, or?
Narcotic, I didn't see anything.
I did. Okay.
I mean,
all right, well, regardless, he's my dog and I train him, so that's something he and I share, okay? So what I'm asking you is there anything that shouldn't be in your vehicle?
You're acting. Tells me there may be something illegal in the car.
I don't know what to do in this situation because.
Well, I can tell you what I would do. If I was honest, I would be honest with us. Because if you're not honest,
And
They
that's
just-
when issues come.
Here's the thing: if there's something in there, we're gonna find it, or if there's something on you, I'm gonna find it, because my dog's alerted to your vehicle, okay? And he wouldn't alert there if there wasn't the present odor of a trained narcotic. All right?
All right.
And if you're honest, we will take that into consideration on whatever we find. If you lie to me and then I find it, you know, then there's all these charges that, you know, can be filed against you, okay?
Okay, so right now I can just rip my car apart and there's nothing I can do about it.
We're searching this vehicle by hand because my dog has alerted to it. Yes, sir.
There, the dog had alerted to the scent of banned substances in the vehicle, giving the officers a legal and probable cause to search the vehicle.
What's in your pocket? What I said it was? Yeah. Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest, okay?
I know. You ain't got to put them on top.
Okay. I appreciate your cooperation, Mr. Rush. It's a lot better and easier for everybody this way, okay?
Contraband.
Contraband. That's a big charge.
Right.
Nothing else on your person, nothing up your bung, and nothing in your brick.
I mean, I've never done anything like that before.
Nothing in your pants, nothing like that, nothing in your shoes.
No, sir.
Okay. Because if you tell me now, we can get rid of a charge. I promise you, if there's something else on you, I will.
Check my watch pocket.
Your watch pocket, no needles, right?
No, sir.
Hang on, we're gonna get him a pair of gloves, okay? Hey, Morgan, you got another pair of gloves? He says there may be some more in his watch pocket.
Yep.
All right, you said your watch pocket.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That I'm so screwed.
I don't feel it, but I'm gonna.
I mean, it's possible.
Yeah, it's a little bit. I see it though. That's not meth, partner.
Oh, that's oxycodone.
That's
sorry.
oxycodone.
Yeah, the oxycodone.
Is it a gun or a lighter?
A lighter. Yeah, I know.
Do you take oxycodone and you prescribe it?
I was, but I am not prescribing it anymore.
Hey, where'd you put that other bag at?
It's in here. I'll put it in. There's a couple other bags in that.
What kind of pill is this?
Oxycodone, 10 milligrams.
Mr. Rush, right? Okay, we're gonna step right over here to the front of his car, okay? Nothing else on you, right?
No.
No? Okay.
Before Bobby's car could even be searched, he admitted to having a few oxycodone pills. But once officers searched the vehicle, they found even more drugs, clearly pointing to something bigger. That kicked off his trial, but things didn't go as straightforward as expected. Turns out, investigator Sutton had received a tip and instructed Canine Corporal Morgan to initiate the traffic stop. Bobby Rush was already a suspected drug trafficker, and the broken headlight was just the perfect legal excuse to pull him over. Bobby's lawyers argued that since the actual headlight worked and just the frames were broken, there was no legal cause to stop him and there shouldn't have been a need for the canine search. Still, the court ruled the traffic stop itself was legal. However, the court also said that the canine search happened too early and that the actual use of the canine was prolonged in the search. Overall, it was ruled the search was justified. Bobby was arrested and charged with trafficking meth, possession of a Schedule II drug, having a gun during a felony, and drug-related items. In the end, Bobby Rush was found guilty and sentenced to 35 years, 20 in prison, and 15 on probation. If you enjoy videos such as this, like, subscribe, and watch the next one.